Welcome to part 2 of finding my perfect wedding makeup combination. So now that our base is all set and I am loving it, I'm loving the glow, we need to set it. So I'm going to go in with this setting powder. It's new to me. This is from OPP Beauty and this is the translucent setting powder. So let's give it a try. I'm going to go ahead and take a dry sponge and just work on setting this. I'm not going to bake, but I am going to really push that powder in and we'll see how that goes. Also, update on the creasing. All I did was do liquid blush and I'm already creased. So definitely recommend the eyeshadow primer hack. Okay, my skin feels so smooth from that setting powder. I'm going to turn off all of my lights and we'll do a flash test. Okay, what do we think? Is it flash back at all? My skin feels really good in this, so I hope not. Alright, no flashbacks. So we're going to go in with the Fenty Beauty bronzer, and this is in Shady Biz. We're going to take this big ol' brush. This is the Morphe M527. And just kind of go where we placed the original cream bronzer. And just kind of bring that color back a little bit. Someone gave me this blush from Buxom that I really want to try. It is so pretty, and it is in Wonderlust. I look back at my wedding pictures from last year and wish that I did just a little bit more blush. So I'm hoping with this being a little bit brighter and more pink, it'll pull that out. Okay, so I think this blush is a really nice and it really does just brighten it up from this to this. And it makes me look more awake and all that good stuff. So I really like this blush and it is a top contestant so far. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and set everything into place with this e.l.f. X Gen spray. And I'm just going to go ahead and help walk it all down. I did go a little bit overboard with the blush, but that's okay. I know better for next time. I didn't think it was going to be that pigmented right off the bat, so I'll tone it down the next time. For my highlighter, I'm going to go ahead and go into this Rachel Loves Pixie palette in the shade Lace. And I'm going to take this on a Juvia's Place brush and just apply it to the high points of my cheeks. And it just gives the beautifulest glow, and I'm going to go ahead and blend this in. Okay, I am absolutely loving this base. It is so dewy and just so pretty. I don't know if the blush is too much or not, so let me know. I'm going to go ahead and pop on some eyes and lips, and we'll see the final look, but I'm going to do videos for those separate. What do we think so far? Okay, I'm back and I am done. Let me know what you think. This is everything all together. I did go ahead and fill my eyes and lips, so you can let me know what you think of them. I absolutely love this lip color, but the formula is not my favorite. Let me know if you have any suggestions, and I can't wait to see.